Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which will save you a lot of time by actually creating your projects automatically using templates. Templates are a very important feature in VS Code that you can enable using this extension. Just go to the extension tab and just search for this extension, which is project templates. So by the name itself, it allows you to create templates about certain projects that you daily use. Rather than actually creating the same project again and again, you can actually save a template. So now simply click the install button to activate this extension. So you can see it's almost having 52,000 installs. So once the extension is activated, you actually create any sort of project. It can be a simple JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript application. You create a folder. So I will simply say it's a HTML starter app. And rather inside this, we have a bunch of files here, index.html. So this will be a simple hello world application where I have a bunch of files here, a style CSS as well. So then we also have a script file, which is your JavaScript here. So hello world. So we are including all these files here. So and inside the JavaScript we include. So it's a very basic vanilla JavaScript application. If I try to open this, so this is a very basic app here. You will see that. So now if you are if you can basically save this as a template, so in the next time if you create the same application, you don't need to create all these folders. Rather than you can create a template. So right here, simply go to the command palette and simply search here create template. So right here you can simply search here project. We can open the templates folder and this option will come right here, which is save project as template. So we have four options. Either we can create a project from an existing template, second is delete template, open template folder, or save project as template. So just go to the command palette. You can even type Ctrl Shift P and simply type here project, and these four options will come. Simply say save project as template, and here you just need to give the template name. So I will simply say sample HTML starter, give it a name, and now this template is successfully saved. So if you are creating a brand new project here, let's suppose I give it a name here, sample, and right here we open this again, and this time I will simply say create project from template, and now inside the drop down all the templates will show right here. So inside this only a single one is there. So destination file, I will say this file already exists, would you like to, I will say overwrite. So here you can simply check out all the templates which are there. You can open the folder as well, open templates folder. So here all the templates will get saved right here inside your VS Code. So this is one template here, which is sample HTML starter. So as you can see, we have all these saved. So if you just want to open a new window, so just open a new folder, and now if you want to create that folder once again, simply open command palette, go to project, and now automatically that project, all the files which are there will be cloned. This is really easy, guys. You can see all the files will get again recopied, so you don't need to manually create any sort of project files. This can be applicable to any sort of project that you're building. It can be React project, Angular project. So once you are inside that folder, simply open command palette and simply save that template. So it can be an Express PHP template. So you can save that project, just enter the name, and that will be saved once again. So now if you go to the templates, you will create project from template. Now you have two templates. So this is a very easy way by which you can create templates in VS Code to actually save a lot of time. So you don't need to manually create every time whenever you are developing any sort of project. So it's a very good extension. Just install this. It's called as project templates. So it basically does a very basic job, but it saves you a lot of time as well. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.